Okay guys, welcome to the Gratitude 11 unboxing, quick review. We're gonna keep this simple, man, straight to the point. These are coming out on Saturday, or really depending on whenever you're watching this, December 9th. Retail is set to be $230. One thing I found interesting is that Jordan Brand no longer adds the price tags to the shoes anymore. As you guys can see, Air Jordan 11, white metallic gold, black, size 12, because they always do run true to size. Opening it up, I love the gold hints on the box. Now, as soon as you open it up, you guys can see thank you. We got this nice paper. And here are the shoes. One thing I feel like I can say this time around is the quality of this 11 is extremely good. They did such a good job. Definitely a collector's piece, man, if I must say so myself. And I know a lot of people are gonna be really happy with the pairs that they get in. Now, the thing that's gonna be really interesting about these is the official release, because we already know Jordan Brand typically does around 900 to 1 million pairs every year for the 11s. And this is the first time in years since we've been having like economical problems and people not having the money to buy sneakers, which is a bonus if you really want these. It's the first time I feel like you're gonna be able to secure a pair of 11s and not, like, how do I say this? If you want these, realistically, you'll be able to get them no problem. We're kind of like in this sneaker gold rush of the fact that it wouldn't make any sense for resellers to buy these because nobody's paying over retail. I mean, you look at all the apps that are selling shoes, it's all pretty much under retail. But I always expect with the holidays, man, everyone's gonna wanna buy these. People have been saving their money. This is a great shoe. If I were to rate these 1 out of 10, I would easily give them a 10 out of 10. Just solely based on the quality, the aspect of just, I guess, celebration. Yeah, it is no DMP, but man, it is a beautiful combination of the Concord 11 and the DMP. It's really its own shoe. I really love just the simple little details they went with these, like the all white milky sole, high cut patent leather. One thing that's really interesting about these is the texture of the leather. Now on the tongue, it's super buttery, but on the side panel, it's kind of just rough. And I'm no like leather expert. We know they never use genuine leather, but I mean, in terms of quality, I think anyone who goes after these and gets them in hand is gonna be really happy with them. One of the things that I'm really excited to share with you guys is Capsule. I've actually been associated with them for a while, or I guess you could say, you know, I'm on the team. So this is a preservation pod that's designed to help protect your sneakers and prevent them from yellowing. Essentially, it's just designed to help preserve and make your shoes last a lot longer. I think one of the best concepts that I've heard is really the aspect of, think of like a bag of potato chips, right? When you're done with that bag of potato chips, you roll it up, seal it, put it in the cupboard because you don't want your chips to get stale. It's the same concept that goes along with your sneakers. We are doing a holiday sale. You guys can use the code HOLIDAY25 to get 25% off. If you want to know more about this, make sure to click this link because I made a whole video explaining how the process works. A lot of people keep getting the concept confused, like, oh, I have to store my sneakers in there forever. It can be that. You can store your sneakers in this bag for a really long time and it's going to protect them. And realistically, it's what I'll do for most of my dead stock shoes. I'll probably keep these on ice for a few years, so these will just stay in the bag, and when I'm ready to take them out, you know, I can do that. And just to show you guys, you know, kind of how it looks with other sneakers. This is a medium bag and this is my size 12. But if you wear like a 12 or a 13, I would go with a large bag, to be honest. This is what the packaging looks like. This is the magic secret sauce, the preservative that essentially replaces the bad air in this bag. And you can store them. When you're ready to wear them, take them out, wear them, repeat the process, store them again. Or like I said, you can store them for long term. I think this is gonna make the perfect gift for anyone for the holidays. So make sure to go check it out. The link will be down below. One question I have for you guys is, do you think that these are gonna be outlet bound? You know, like, is this one of those situations where if you stay patient, you'll be able to get these under retail? Are we gonna see that this year? That would be pretty crazy. My personal opinion, I feel like yes. I think there's gonna be a lot of pairs in the outlets. We haven't really seen any B grades or any bad reports on the 11s, which is good. I mean, typically there's always something wrong. Dye on the shoe, glue stains, quality issues, but I mean, these are solid and I haven't seen anyone really say anything bad about these. Ooh, yeah. Boy, I ain't put on 11s in a while. I need to start wearing. The thing about this colorway is that it pretty much goes with anything. You know, you can wear light wash denim, you can wear darker denim, you can wear black pants, you can wear olive, you can wear navy, and this sneaker is pretty much gonna go with everything. It looks so clean on feet. This isn't my proudest fit moment, but you know, we're comfy boys today. I'm wearing Lululemon pants. I got this Krillin Dragon Ball Z t-shirt on. No, the fit is simple, but that just goes to show you how versatile the 11s are. Hate to be that guy, bro, but these Lulu ABC pants, I'll be wearing these to the gym and they look kind of horrible, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Wanted to end the video with a little 360 action so you guys can kind of get a gauge on how they look. You can see that tumbled leather, the way it looks in the side panels. Gold Jumpman, gold 23, just clean pair, man. My final thoughts are, these are definitely a go if you want them. Like I said, if I was to rate them 1 out of 10, it would easily be 10 out of 10. Super versatile, can go with so many different outfits, honestly. And I'm gonna say it here first, I'm just gonna throw it out there. I think these will be in the outlets. This might be an opportunity to just be patient and they fall under retail, but man, it's the holidays, so I wouldn't risk it. But if you're not too pressed about these, right? You know, it's like a 50-50, wait it out. You know, they might be discounted. Now, they will definitely sell out on Nike.com without a doubt. That's just inevitable. But in terms of like, I'm talking that back stock, you know, the Foot Lockers that aren't gonna sell out, or the stores in small towns that, you know, they're gonna have pairs. We're gonna see these sitting. And I could be completely wrong, as I usually am, but that's my opinion. That's how I feel about these, especially in terms of, you know, how the market is right now. But I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. I think next week I'm gonna do a what I would wear with the 11s for people that, you know, wanna know. So let me know if you guys like to see a video like that. This is your boy Sneaker Life, just slowly panning. Delayed intro. We're almost there. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air now. Sneaker Life. Hey, 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 hey. A Sneaker Life.